So the new Mac Pro is here. I happen to have my hands on an early beta of it. There it is, right out of the box. As you can see, just like in the keynote, they mentioned it has a handle on top. This one definitely has a nice handle on top for utilizing the Mac really anywhere you go. It's super light. The fact that it does not have a screen on it makes it really portable. You just bring it to whatever display you want, such as this one here, and you can just plug it right in. You just go ahead and attach it to the computer. By far one of the best designed computers I think I have ever seen. So if you watched WWDC today, then you will know that one of the things released was a new Mac Pro. Something that people have been waiting on for a super long time. The Mac Pro is definitely like Apple's high-end, awesome computer for developers and content creators. They literally took a cheese grater and were like, let's put a CPU in it and call it a day. What the heck? This thing is so freaking ugly. I was looking at this during the keynote and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. And then you look at the price tag for this cheese grater Mac Pro, and the price tag for this is $5,999, if I remember right. So it's like, this is a $6,000 machine. You scroll down, and here is another thing they released. They released a little display like this. You don't want to know how much this display costs? $5,999. That's insane. Everything they released in terms of computer power starts at just unbelievably high prices. Let's see if we can even see the price of this thing. I mean, sure, it's got good specs, but for $5,999, I'd certainly hope it has phenomenal specs. Just watch this. Look at what happens if you buy both of them. Here, watch this. Hang on. So let's go ahead and just grab a calculator real quick, because you're not going to believe this. So if we take the price of both of these items at $5,900, so let's just take it and multiply it by 2. That's $11,998 to get your brand new cheese grater and a display to go with it. That's like $12,000. You're going to add on tax. Depending on where you are, that tax will be different. But by the time you're done, you can easily call this a $12,000 computer. Look at that number. That's the price of a computer. Hold on. A car. You could buy a car for that price. That's stupid. Wow, and they show a display that costs $43,000. I guess I'm just not the right market for this. It's kind of like the new iPod Touch. Oh, you didn't know there's a new iPod Touch? Yeah, there's totally a new iPod Touch. It's the same old iPod, but with a chip from 2016 in it. Yay! If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the new cheese grater from Apple. Oh yeah, and if you are just new to the channel and are interested in watchOS 6 or iOS 13, I'm in the process of downloading the betas to all of that, and I'll be releasing videos for that soon. So if you want to see that, stick around because those videos are coming next.